To deposit Pi Network coins into OKX, start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device and clicking on the cryptocurrency option. Select Pi as both the cryptocurrency and network, ensuring both are set to Pi. This will provide you with deposit details, including a QR code and deposit address, which you should copy to your mobile phone's clipboard. Before proceeding, note that there is a minimum deposit requirement, which you should already have in your Pi wallet. Next, open the Pi browser, click on the wallet option, and unlock it using your 24-word passphrase, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once inside, verify that you are on the Pi main net, not the test net, and ensure you have an available balance. If your available balance is lower than required, click on Migrations to transfer your regular balance to your available balance. To initiate the transfer, click on the Pay Request option. Then select Manually Add Wallet Address. Paste the OKX deposit address you copied earlier and confirm the transaction. After confirming, you should receive a Transfer Succeeded message. It is recommended to send a small amount of Pi, such as 1 or 2, for the initial transfer to verify that it is successful. If the transfer is successful, you can proceed to move larger amounts of Pi to your OKX app.